Now there are quite a few ways to record your screen in Linux, like Kazam and OBS Studio, but I'm going to show you what I think is the easiest one to use and the most versatile. So you go down to your software manager and you type in Simple Screen, all one word. And you want to select this Simple Screen Recorder. Now I already have it installed, but if you don't have it installed, you'll just hit the install button up on top here. So since I do have it installed, I'm just going to go ahead and close this. And then I have it down here on my bar. And it says Simple Screen. Now see, it's detected that I have an NVIDIA driver. And it says that flipping is enabled. It says, do you want me to disable it? And I just click yes. So if you have an NVIDIA driver, you might get that prompt. And now here, my video input, it says I can record the entire screen, fixed rectangle, follow the cursor. For this demonstration, I'm just going to select record the entire screen. Now I have two monitors, so I can select all screens, screen 1 or screen 2. You'll notice up here on the left-hand side it says screen 1, so I'm just going to go ahead and select that. And down here, frame rate, I'm going to leave it at 30. And I'm going to record the cursor, and I'm going to record the audio. And then select continue. And then here it says save as. I'm going to save it in my videos folder. Video codec, I'm going to leave that at H.264. And then select continue. And then up at the top here it says start recording. I can actually set a schedule. I can create hotkeys if I want to activate it. But for now I'm just going to go ahead and just start recording. Now I have two monitors, so I hit record and then I just move this to my second monitor. And then you can't see it. Then I go ahead and do what I want to do, recording the screen and whatnot. And then when I'm all done, I just go ahead and select pause. I can pause recording and then continue on with something else, or I could go down to the bottom here and select save recording. And then once I save the recording, it gives me the option to open the folder where the video is saved. And right there it is, Simple Screen Recorder. Gives me the date, and then let me just do this full screen. And you can see it's pretty good quality. It's recorded at 1080p. So that's all there is to it. So if you select this, let's look at the properties here. So it's recorded at 1080p, 1920 by 1080, and the frame rate is 30, and then the duration is 19 seconds. So it's about 4.1 megabytes for 19 seconds of video. So that's pretty good. So anyways, that's how I record my screen in Linux Mint. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later.